नमस्कार, बिहार मिथिला न्यूज में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं तलत परवीन। दरभंगा पूरी तरह विकसित हो रहा है और चिकित्सा के क्षेत्र में इस दरभंगा का नाम देश के विभिन्न कोनों में भी है। ऐसे में दरभंगा के टॉप 10 स्कूल में हम आपको दिखाते हैं दरभंगा डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल सारा मोहनपुर। डीएवी स्कूल के बच्चों में संस्कार, अनुशासन और गुणात्मक साफ झलकता है। इसके तहत 2010 में दरभंगा डीएवी स्कूल को मान्यता मिली थी। आज दरभंगा ही नहीं, प्रदेश में डीएवी स्कूल का नाम भी है। इसमें ट्रांसपोर्ट के अलावा यहाँ विभिन्न क्षेत्र में छात्रों ने अपनी उपलब्धि हासिल की है। यहाँ करीब 2500 के आसपास छात्र नामांकित हैं। प्राचार्य सविता कुमारी ने डीएवी को और विकसित, आधुनिक के साथ सम्मानजनक स्थिति में पहुंचाया है। देखें डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल की एक रिपोर्ट।
दरभंगा डीएवी की स्थापना यहाँ पर कब हुई थी?
सभी को नमस्ते। जब हम डीएवी की स्थापना वर्ष का दरभंगा में अगर बात करें, इसकी स्थापना दरभंगा में 2001 में हुई है और रेंटेड बिल्डिंग में हुई है। उसके बाद डीएवी ने स्कूल के लिए ज़मीन परचेज़ किया सीबीएसई नॉर्म्स के मुताबिक और 2010 में स्कूल को मान्यता मिल गई सीबीएसई से 10वीं लेवल की।
और उसके बाद ये सारा मोहनपुर कब आया, फिर यहाँ कब?
जब हम एफिलिएशन की बात करें, एक्चुअली द स्कूल केम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस इन 2001 in a rented building, but the school purchased the land within 2 to 3 years, and we shifted in the year 2005 almost, and in the year 2010 the school was affiliated to CBSE up to secondary level, and since then the school has been running and progressing in Sara Mohanpur branch itself.
किस किस क्लास के यहाँ है और किस तरह की व्यवस्था?
At present we have classes from LKG to standard 12, and as far as the facilities for the children are concerned, as everyone knows that DAV is based on basically 3 principles: Shiksha, Seva and Sanskar. So related to all these 3 broader areas, we cater to the need of the children and the society.
और यहाँ पर किस तरह की पढ़ाई की जो एजुकेशन, क्वालिटी एजुकेशन है, उसके लिए क्या स्पेशल है?
Since last 2 years, the entire world has been facing through pandemic, and it was an opportunity for each and every one of us to explore ourselves in the field of information technology. So it was a good exposure and experience for all of us, and the teachers have also upgraded themselves in the field of smart classes, and all our classes are equipped with smart boards. We have facilities for library. We have facilities for computer, not only for the children, even for our teachers. We have the resource center where the teachers, they can sit and they surf on the net, and whatever is required to update their skills, every facility is there. Besides these, we have a very rich chemistry, physical and bio laboratory separately for the +2 level children.
अचीवमेंट्स विगत 5 वर्षों में क्या रहा रिजल्ट के क्षेत्र में और अन्य अलग-अलग?
As far as academics is concerned, our school has given a very outstanding result, and several students, they have topped in different categories also. They have qualified NEET as well as JEE, and so many students, they have even passed the commission services. In the field of sports, if you say, our school has been not only the district topper, but at least our school children, they have participated at the national level. And especially my girls football team, they have played in SGFI also. And all the areas, karate, right now I can say, Shruti of standard 11th, she is a karate girl who is topping at the national level, and even, of course, the district and the state level. So we have every facilities for the sports also. In the field of science and technology, proudly I can claim that since last 5 years, our school was the district topper for the science level congress, but it is the maiden year, that is first time our children, they have participated at the national level science congress, which is organized by the government of India. And the final telecast, it was through virtual mode, where the children, they went to Patna, and Patna, they all had organized a very nice event from where our children, they have given the presentation for the national level science exhibition. And one thing more I would like to add, we are proud that in Darbhanga we are the first school in the private schools who has got established the ATL labs, that is Atal Tinkering Lab, which is of the Government of India. And the inauguration for the same, it was done by the DDC, sir. It was on 10th of last month. So we have a good exposure for the children in the field of science and technology too.
ये टॉप 10 स्टूडेंट जो आते थे 10th और 12th उसमें क्या पोजीशन?
As far as the top 10 students are concerned, if we see the last year's result, even the different competitive examinations, they are not accounting because of the COVID result, which was based on the overall average performance of the child. But since after 2 years long gap, this year we are going to conduct term 2 examination by the CBSE, and proudly I can say that our children, they will perform best in the town, not only district but at the state and national level also. The performance will automatically enhance because it is the mutual and constant effort of the students, the teachers, those who have guided, and the extra effort that was given to the students during the pandemic also.
टीचर्स का सिलेक्शन और क्वालिटी क्या है?
As far as the selection of a teacher is concerned in our school, basically we have the 2-level tests. First, it is the written round. So the teachers, they have to appear at the written level based on the general knowledge, and English is the common paper for all the teachers irrespective of the subject. And second paper is of the respective subjects. And once they qualify the written test, after scrutiny, they have to face the 2 levels of interview. First is the principal round interview, and once the candidate qualifies the principal round, they have to face the final interview in the presence of the chairman of the DAV College Managing Committee, and of course the chairmen, they are from the DAV CMC, New Delhi.
छात्रों का नामांकन का सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया क्या है और कब होता है?
As far as the selection of the students and admission is concerned, the registration of all the DAVs for the entire district, it is printed and published in the nationalized newspaper in the month of December. From mid of December, we go for the registration. And after registration, the selection of the students is based on the written test and oral from standard 1 onward. But of course, for LKG and UKG, since they are the 2 small children, pre-primary children, it is based only on the basis of the oral performance of the child.
कैंपस एक्टिविटीज़ क्या है और ट्रांसपोर्ट की?
As far as the campus activities are concerned, the entire school has been divided into 4 houses, and all the students, they have to participate in the inter-house school contest. And for this, we have an active CCA in charges at the different level. For the pre-primary, we have a different teacher, middle level, primary level, secondary, senior secondary level. And under the teachers, the different selection of the student takes place. And most of the students, they are given exposure to participate. Not only this, every day we begin our morning day with the morning assembly. And assembly starts with the Ved mantra, Gayatri mantra, and prayer, which is being performed by the students. There also we give exposure, ample opportunity for the students to give their best, not only in the field of the assembly, but also they give the quiz presentation, they read the news, the thought and the pledge, DAV anthem, and of course our national anthem is also being sung by the children. Of course, I would like to announce proudly that we have also started NCC in our school. And from tomorrow, we are going to have 3 days training NCC for our children. And recently, we have made a troop of 50 girls as well as boys.
क्लास में बैठने के लिए कितने स्टूडेंट की और क्या-क्या फैसिलिटी है, किस तरह गाइड?
So, as far as the sitting accommodation and accommodation of the children is concerned in the classroom, it is as per the guidelines, 40 to 45 students. We have sufficient spaces. The classroom is standard 22 into 24 sizes feet, so there is no problem with the size as far as the school is concerned. And we have smart classes in all the rooms, and even we have a facilitator for the smart boards who can tackle and handle and guide the teachers as and when they require for the classroom situations.
अंत में क्या संदेश देंगे मिथिला मंच के?
I would like to convey that, of course, Mithila Manch is, of course, doing a social work during COVID also. I saw the news that they have given the best to the society, and they are giving the best not only in the field of the medicals, but also they are trying to give an equal opportunity for all those schools, those who are excelling in the profession as far as the overall development and holistic development of the child is concerned. I wish each and every one of us, let us be happy, be peaceful, and let us keep smiling every time so that we are able to meet out the challenges and the hurdles of the life for which our education is meant for, to enhance our life skill. Thank you all of you. Stay safe and stay blessed and keep smiling.